Entrepreneur is an individual person or a group of persons who take initiative, have the skill for innovation, bear risk, put up a new viable project that creates wealth and provides employment opportunity, and leads to growth of all sectors of an economy. She performs various activities by adopting a process of action called entrepreneurship and carries out creative innovation for fulfilling his objectives. Hence, the process/steps of entrepreneurship is creative, innovative, and objective-oriented. The entrepreneur is one who provides factor of production responsible for setting up a business/enterprise. As the fourth factor, he organizes, manages, utilizes, and control all factors of production, resources, like land, labor, capital, raw materials, machinery, energy, and space. Enterprise is an organization of structure, rules, policies, culture, and communication system.